Hi, I'm Nancy. I work at Tam's Sweet and Savory Cafe in Oak Landing, Indiana, and I'm going to show you a simple way to make French toast at home. I'm going to break 2 eggs into this bowl, and that'll be the start of our French toast mix. Most people add milk. You can add milk if you like. I just do my eggs with some cinnamon and vanilla, and most people have that at home, or you can use any kind of simple syrup you have, or if your kids like strawberry syrup, you can use strawberry syrup. I just use cinnamon and vanilla in mine and mix it around. It's real simple. You can use any bread you have at home. My husband prefers wheat. I use wheat at home. Here at the restaurant, we like to use the white shaka pan bread. It's a Japanese white bread. And then I just cut it into like Texas toast style. Just like that. And I dip it in the egg mixture with the cinnamon and vanilla. So we use induction burners here at Tam's. It's just like a stove top. It's just like a glass top. The only difference is it doesn't get hot unless there's a pan on it. Put your French toast in there with a little butter, a little grease, let it sizzle a little bit, get those eggs done on each side. Flip it, let that side cook. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut it. And then top it with a little powdered sugar, a little syrup, whatever you like. A little powdered sugar on it. French toast ready. Enjoy making this at home.